Hello everyone. I am Josabeth Opisagaral, and I am going to answer all the questions of Activity 1, which has the topic, which is the topic of confidence intervals. And the first question is, what is a confidence interval? And the second question is, why is it useful? And what is a confidence level? So first is, um, what is a confidence interval? So confidence interval is the range of possible values for the parameter based on a set of data. For example, the simulation results. And next is, why is confidence interval useful? So it is useful because it helps the user decide whether or not enough simulations have been run. And if the confidence interval is too large for the particular application, then it indicates that not enough simulations have been run. And the size of the confidence interval will decrease as the number of simulations increases. And next is, what is a confidence level? So a confidence level refers to the percentage of all possible samples that can be expected to include the true population parameters. And for example, suppose all possible samples were selected from the same population, and a confidence interval were computed for each sample. And a 95% confidence level implies that 95% of the confidence intervals would include the true population parameters. And next is this one, to make a histograph of this data. So the data is here. I input it here in Excel. And to get the histograph, I highlighted all the data. And click Insert, and to make this histograph. And there we can make it. So there is axis, and so yeah. So the next question is, what is the sample size of this data? So the sample size here is 30 because there are 30 groups of numbers. Also, we can input a formula. So let's try. Is equal to count and highlight the data and click enter. So there you are. And next question is, what is a sample mean? So the sample mean here is 121.7333 and so on. So we can get this also for inputting a formula which is equals and average. You can double click this average, and again hide all the data and click enter. So it will show you the answer directly. And next question is, what is the sample standard deviation? The sample standard deviation of our data is 3.638, and so on. So you can input the formula of So we double click this, and again highlight data and click enter, and this will show you the answer. directly. And next is compute for the 95% confidence interval. So the formula, so here is the formula of confidence interval. So the formula is equals to the sample mean plus minus the confidence of level value and multiply it by the sample standard deviation divided by the square root of the sample size. So um so here is the so to get the upper confidence interval, we can use this formula, the confidence interval formula. But to get the upper confidence interval, we will use addition instead of the subtraction symbol. So we will input the given. So the sample mean here in our data, which is the which is the 121.73. So here, and plus we will use the plus because we will compute the upper confidence interval. So plus the confidence level value. So the given question here is 95%. So when the confidence level is 95%, so the z value is 1.96. So we will use this z value and multiply it by this sample standard deviation, which is 3.638238806, and divide it by the square root of the sample size, which is 30. So we can have the answer of the upper confidence interval, which is 123.03520604. And in getting the lower lower 95% confidence interval, we will use the same formula, but instead of using the addition, in getting the lower confidence interval, we will use the subtraction sign. So again, confidence interval is equals to sample mean, which is 121.7333, and minus the confidence level value. So the given question here is 95%. So when our confidence level is 95%, we will use the 1.96 z values, and we will multiply it to the sample standard deviation, which is 3.638 and so on, and divide it by the square root of sample size, which is 30, and you can come up with this answer, 120.434063. So yes, and for the next question is, suppose that a 90% confidence level interval is required. Compute the new interval and compare it with number 5. So the same formula. We will use the same formula, but the difference here is the confidence level value. So in the question before, the question used the confidence level of 95%, but for now we'll use the 90% confidence level. So if the confidence level is 90%, we will have the z value of 1.65. So the same formula, the same distribution. So confidence interval is equals to sample mean by getting the upper confidence level interval, we will use the plus sign. And so input the confidence level value, which is the 1.65, and multiply the sample standard deviation and divided by the square root of sample size. And we can get the answer of 102.8260221. And also to get the lower, the same formula, but we use subtraction. So again, sample mean minus confidence minus the confidence level value, which is 1.65, and multiply it with sample standard deviation and divide it by the square root of sample mean, and we can get the answer of 120.6406446. So that's all for this data, and thank you for listening. Bye.